Risky down there. Maguire, Revolt, and Gehrig, they're marking targets. Gehrig, too strong. Clever kick. On the line of the square, Jason Jimenez. Bruce Simmons himself about. That's a clever kick in space. Jones leads the race.
Charlotte.